Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. It's Amanda, and today is Saturday for me. I'm not sure when you all will see this video. I wanted to bring you guys along today because this is a struggle day for me. We are having our first holiday party of the year that we're going to, and it's really getting to me. I know there's going to be items there I can't eat, and they're going to look amazing, and it's going to be really stressful. So I wanted to show you my first meal of the day. It's something really light because hi babe. So yeah, it's gonna be something really light just in case I do need to have some wiggle room with the food that's going to be provided. So not only is it a Christmas party that we're going to, but it's a boat parade on the St. John's River, and it's going to be awesome. And I'll try to take you guys along with that, and hopefully I can show you what I do end up eating at the party. So I'll check back with you guys when I put some makeup on and do my hair and get ready to go to the party. And I hope everyone's having a great day. So it is a little after 12:30, and this is my first meal of the day. So technically this is just going to be a light snack, and that's going to consist of some vintage English cheddar that I got from Aldi, and here are the macros for that. Along with that, I'll have some pickle chips and a Pepsi Max. Here are the macros for the pickles. Alright, here it is. But I do know tonight they're having pizza and wings, but it's the appetizers and the desserts that I'm worried about. Alright everyone, we are on our way to the boat parade, and I'll show you that when we get there, guys. Watch the boat parade from a houseboat.
Make yourself at home, because if you can't make yourself at home, you might as well be at home.
Back porch. Oop, there's a bee. Here comes a river tour down the back of the boat. Can't wait for the sun to go down. It's setting. So for my appetizer, I snacked on palmetto cheese, pepper jack cheese, and a few meatballs. For dinner, thankfully the wings were not breaded.
Go first. I'll be right here.
So this is where we're gonna watch the boat parade at. The river in the back. excited?
Yeah, that's good.
Wait for the sun to go down. Waiting for the sun to go down so the boats can come out.
I jumped off the top onto a little baby gator.
Absolutely gorgeous out here. It's getting even closer until the boats start coming. It's just absolutely gorgeous.
Hello, thank you for watching this video. My favorite boat was the one with Grinch dancing on it. Comment down below which boat was your favorite. And don't forget to hit that notification bell, thumbs up, and subscribe. Peace!